Hello everyone, today we are making gluten-free vegan vegetable soup. Here are the ingredients: vegetable broth, water, tomatoes, onions, garlic, salt, pepper, oregano, basil, ground thyme, gluten-free soy sauce, rice, baby Dutch yellow potatoes, baby carrots, soup mix veggies. Add oil to a hot 8-quart pot. Add onions, add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Add 1 cut tomato. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of basil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground thyme. Add 2 tablespoons of gluten-free soy sauce. Add 2 32-ounce cartons of vegetable broth. Add 5 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then add a pound of baby carrots, cook baby carrots for about 5 minutes, then add 2 pounds of baby potatoes, add 12-ounce soup mix veggies, bring back to a boil, then reduce heat and cook for 10 minutes. Once the vegetables are cooked, add 1 cup of cooked rice. That is it for today. Until next time, bye. Thanks for watching.